Hello guys, welcome to Sim Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to claim your Pixelverse NFT in your PixelTap account. So without wasting my time, let's go to our Telegram account, then click on our PixelTap. So when you get to this place, you see a banner here. Okay, there is a banner here down below, and there is claim on this banner. Okay, so we will click on the claim on this banner. Okay, so when you get to this place, you will see claim NFT. Okay, so your NFT avatar. Okay, I have Epic NFT. So based on your activity inside PixelTap, you were chosen as an early adopter and received special rewards. Okay, so we will click on this claim NFT. Okay, to claim our NFT. Okay, so what we have to do next is to connect our Ton wallet. Okay, so to claim NFT, you must connect Ton wallet. Okay, so we'll click on this connect Ton wallet button. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so it will pop up for us to select the wallet we use. Okay, I use Ton Keeper, so I'll click on this Ton Keeper. Then I click on yes. So I'll click on the connect wallet to connect my Ton Keeper wallet to PixelTap. Okay, so I'll click on this connect wallet. And I have successfully connected my wallet to this PixelTap account. Okay, so I'll click on the next button. So it will open my Ton wallet again. And okay, I have insufficient funds. Okay, so what you have to do next is to deposit some money to your Ton Keeper account or your Ton wallet account. Okay, so I'll deposit money to this Ton wallet account, then we start the process again. Okay, so we need to pay fee. Okay, fee of 0.5 Ton plus blockchain fees. Currently my balance is 0.000 Ton. Okay, so let me deposit Ton to my Ton Keeper account, then we start the process again. Okay, so I'll go back to one of my exchanges accounts and deposit Ton to my Ton Keeper. Okay, so I'll go to my Bybit account, then I have some $6 inside, so I will convert this Litecoin to Ton. Okay, so that I'll send to my Ton account. I'll send to my Ton Keeper. Okay, so let me convert it. Okay, so I'll convert from Litecoin to Ton. Okay, so let me search for Ton. Okay, then I'll send all the amounts. I confirm my transactions, and I have converted it to Ton. Okay, so what I have to do next is to go to my Ton Keeper account. Okay, so right now the money is in Ton. Okay, so I'll go to my Ton Keeper account. I'll go to my Ton Keeper, then I click on this Ton coin, then I click on receive. So I'll get my address. Okay, then I click on copy to copy this address. Then I go back to my exchanging platform. Okay, so I use Bybit for this transaction, so I'll just click on this, then I start the process of sending it to my Ton Keeper account. So I'll just withdraw the amount here. I'll enter the address I copied. This is the address of my Ton Keeper account. Okay, so I'll enter it. Okay, it's verified. Then I choose my network. My network should be Ton because I'm sending Ton. Okay, then I enter the amounts I'm sending. Okay, so let me click on max, then click on withdraw. So I'll click on confirm, then I enter my password. Okay, so let me enter my password. Then I go to my Google Authenticator to copy the code too. Okay, so Google Authenticator Bybit, then I paste in the code here. Then I confirm the transaction. Okay, so withdrawal application submitted. Okay, so I'll wait for a few minutes to receive the amount in my Tonkeeper account. Okay, so the withdrawal is in progress, so let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, the ton has been sent successfully. Okay, you can see the ton is sent successfully. So let me go back to my ton wallet account. Okay, so let me go to my Tonkeeper, then confirm the transaction. Let me see if it's reflected. Okay, so I have received the money right now. Okay, as you can see, the money I sent right now has been received in my Tonkeeper account. So let's start the process again. Okay, so let me go to my PixelTap account on Telegram. Okay, so since I have already linked my wallet, my Tonkeeper wallet, to my PixelTap, I'll click on the next button. Then it will open my Tonkeeper wallet. And I have to make a payment. Okay, I have to pay for blockchain fee and transaction fee, whatever. So I have to slide to confirm. Okay, so they say congrats, your NFT avatar claimed. Okay, so congratulations, you have received your NFT avatar. You can set it in your profile as your avatar. Okay, so I have successfully received my NFT. Okay, so I'll click on see in profile to see my profile. Okay, so I have claimed the NFT and I can use it to set a profile picture. Okay, so let me choose and set it as a profile picture. Okay, so I've set it as a profile picture. Okay, as you can see, I've successfully claimed it. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, and let me click on the claim. So they said you have already claimed your NFT. Okay, so I have successfully claimed my NFT. Okay, so if this video helps you to claim your NFT to your Tonkeeper, let me go to my Tonkeeper to check if I received it here. Okay, you can see it's in my Tonkeeper account. It's in my Tonkeeper, but not verified yet. Okay, not verified yet. Okay, so it's in my account. Okay, it's still not verified NFT. Okay, so I've successfully claimed my NFT. Okay, so this is my NFT and I have claimed it to my Tonkeeper account. Okay, so as I said, if this video helps you to claim your NFT to your Tonkeeper account, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.